I designed this filament spool holder. The biggest overhang is not less than 45 degrees. It's 3D printed on the side. Let's have a look. It's compact and also stylish. Let's put a spool on it. The bulge prevents the spool from falling off. Want to help increasing this number? Thanks! More information about this model is in the description. Also keep watching for more, thank you. Get commercial access to all my 3D files here to sell 3D prints. Also check out my design and engineering channel where I post many tutorials. And have a look at my website where everything comes together. Thank you for watching. Also check out my other videos and channels.